Robots are going wild again. One totally lost control in a lab, moving its arms and legs like it was fighting gravity. That crazy moment went viral online. Meanwhile, Tesla showed off its Optimus robot calmly serving popcorn at a cool retro diner. UBTECH did something even more impressive. They built a robot that can swap its own batteries, so it doesn't need to stop and recharge. That means it can keep working all day and night without any help from people. And then there's Leju, who showed a smaller smart robot called Lubun No. 2. It's short, quick, and can easily move through tight spaces like warehouse shelves. Get ready. These stories are wild, fast, and full of surprises. It looked like a scene from a robot horror movie. In a quiet lab, a Unitree G1 humanoid robot named Direk suddenly went wild. One second it was calmly hanging from a metal frame. The next second, boom, its joints freaked out. Arms spinning, legs kicking, motors howling like alarms. It slammed into the frame above and dragged its heavy metal stand across the slick floor like it was trying to escape. An engineer stood frozen in place, hands gripping his head, totally shocked, while robot parts flew everywhere like shrapnel. The 23-second clip rocketed past 100K views in 4 hours, birthing the hashtag #RobotPuberty and a flood of "Sarah Connor told us" comments. But here's what makes it even scarier. Just a few feet away, another G1 and one of the taller H1 robots were hanging on their test rigs. If Derek had kicked a little harder or one cable had snapped, it could have caused a chain reaction, knocking into the others like giant metal dominoes. That kind of crash could have caused tens of thousands of dollars in damage. And all of it may have happened because of one small mistake. A bad piece of code sent to the robot during a late-night software update. One wrong number in the system, and the whole robot freaked out. It's a harsh reminder that in robotics, tiny errors can cause huge, real-world problems. Why should you care? When robots are built with strong motors but weak safety rules, even a simple test can turn into a disaster. That viral video is now being shown in classrooms as a warning. Always test your software in a safe space first. Insurance companies are already worried. China's fast push to lead in humanoid robots makes great headlines, but scenes like this show the risks underneath. Tight lab budgets, pressure to go viral, and not enough safety barriers to keep people safe. Fly across the world to sunny Hollywood, where Tesla just opened a wild-looking space-age diner. It's shaped like a flying saucer, with a retro design that looks like a mix of old-school diners and futuristic Cybertrucks. Giant movie screens play classic films while electric cars charge nearby. But the star of the show? A 5-foot-tall Optimus robot wearing a red-striped popcorn hat. It picked up a scoop, spun it twice, filled a paper bag, folded it perfectly, and handed it over with a friendly thumbs up. The crowd loved it. Elon Musk shared the video and said this will feel normal soon. After 4 million people watched it online, many agreed. It was kind of weird, but also super cool. Don't be fooled by the slow-motion grace. Optimus stood behind a plexi shield and moved slower than a mall escalator. Totally scripted, yes. But it proved Tesla can drop the bot into a themed venue without a telegraphed pratfall. Skeptics still note most service demos ride on teleops, yet the popcorn moment nailed the aesthetic. Retro America, electric future, mechanical butler vibes dialed to 11. What do you think? Was the Unitree G1 meltdown terrifying or hilarious? And could you see yourself being served popcorn by a Tesla robot? Let me know in the comments. I read them all. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more crazy robot stories every week. And heads up, next week we're dropping a big robot comparison video, breaking down which humanoid robot is truly leading the race. Spoiler, the winner might be one you'd never expect. Up until now, robots had a big weakness. They needed to stop and recharge, just like your phone. That meant they couldn't work all day and night. They had to take breaks. But UBTECH just changed the game in China with their new robot, Walker S2. It's about as tall as a human, and it treats batteries like race cars treat tires. It carries 2 powerful battery packs on its back. When one runs low, the robot finds a charging tower, backs up to it, pops out the empty battery, locks in a fresh one, and walks off again. No restarting, no human help. All of this happens in just 3 minutes. Engineers ran a test loop and saw the robot complete 21 swaps without a single person stepping in. That means it can run non-stop, 24/7. It could even lower wear and tear costs by 30%. It's not just impressive, it's a total shift in how we think about robot uptime and efficiency. UBTECH claims hundreds of pre-orders, pilots with BYD, Foxconn, and a rumored deal with Geely. Cost? Confidential, but insiders whisper sub-USD 90K in volume. The company's pitch deck literally says, "Why hire a worker when you can hire a regiment?" Now, shifting gears from tireless giants to a new kind of compact intelligence, Leju Robotics slides in with the opposite strategy. Keep it small, make it swarm. Their teaser shows Luba number 2, roughly chest-high, sleek ABS shell, all wiring tucked, Tesla-style integrated actuators. It duck walks between pallet racks without clipping photodiodes, making OSHA officers swoon. Modular battery pods hint at hot swap readiness, and early whispers put unit cost south of flagship iPhones by 2027 if scale hits. Leju even demoed a multi-bot choreography and simulation, 4 Lubens fetching totes while chatting through a private 5G slice. Imagine warehouse lanes buzzing with pint-sized droids that never call in sick. Zoom out. In one wild week, we saw a Unitree berserker that reminded us robots carry real kinetic punch, a Tesla bot charming diners with art house popcorn, UBTECH teaching humanoids to refuel themselves, and Leju shrinking the form factor to democratize aisle duty. Excited? Unsettled? Both? Sound off in the comments. Do me a quick favor, hit that like button if this made you even a little nervous, and don't forget to subscribe if you want more crazy robot stories every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hopefully before the next big robot story breaks.